Welcome to TLH Patterns. This is Pradeepa. In today's video, we'll see how to crochet an Irish leaf. You can use this leaf to decorate your various crochet projects and other stuff. You can see the leaf is textured and you can see ridges on the front part of the leaf. This is because of working into front and back loops of the stitches. Let's see how to make this leaf. Use any yarn and a suitable hook. I used a 3mm hook and a sport weight yarn. Depending on the yarn and size of hook, your leaf size will vary. Start with a slip knot and make 10 chains. Now make a single crochet in the second chain from hook and in rest of the chains except the last. Then make 3 single crochets in the last chain. Now work single crochets in 6 chains from the other side. Chain 1 and turn. We'll start the next row. This is the back side of the leaf. So on the back side you will be working only into the front loops of each stitch. You can see every stitch has 2 loops. The loop that is away from you is the back loop and the one that is towards you is the front loop. So while you are working in the wrong side, you will be working only into the front loops. Make single crochet in the front loops of 7 stitches. Then work 3 single crochets in the front loop of next stitch. Then single crochet in the front loops of the next 7 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. This is the front side of the leaf. Whenever you are working the front side, you will work only into the back loops of the stitches. So make single crochet in the back loops of 8 stitches. Then 3 single crochet in the back loop of next stitch. Then work single crochet in the back loops of the next 6 stitches. Then chain 1 and turn, and you will be repeating rows 2 and 3 1 or 2 more times depending on how wide you want your leaf to be. So it's the same number of stitches. Single crochet in the front loops of 7 stitches followed by 3 single crochet in the next stitch and again single crochet in the next 7 stitches, front loops of the next 7 stitches. Chain 1 and turn and work into the back loops, working single crochet in 8 stitches followed by 3 single crochet in the next stitch and then single crochet in the next 6 stitches. You can repeat it even one more time or you can stop it at this point. I am repeating the 2 rows one more time. Now if you want to make a stem, just stop at the center where you will be working 3 stitches in the same stitch. So just work 1 stitch followed by 3 or 4 chains and then work single crochet in the second chain from hook and in the rest of the chains and then continue with the pattern. So I worked 1 stitch. Now I'll make 2 more stitches in the same stitch followed by single crochet in the required number of stitches. You will be working the stem in the last row. That's it. You can now cut the yarn off and weave in the loose end. Thanks for watching and please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you.